Need to install an Outlook add-in from an ECF file to extend your email functionality? These extension files add features to Microsoft Outlook. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to use these Microsoft Outlook add-in files. We'll be comparing our manual fix to the final option, made possible by using just one industry-leading ECF file inspection tool that supports a vast library of file formats. A user encounters an .ecf file when trying to install an add-in to enhance Microsoft Outlook's functionality. Their intent is to add new features, such as CRM integration, email tracking, or productivity tools by running this file, which registers the add-in with their Outlook application. The .ecf file is a configuration or manifest file, often in a text-based or XML format. It contains metadata that tells Outlook how to locate, register, and load the corresponding add-in components, often DLLs. Microsoft designed this as a simple deployment mechanism for third-party developers to extend the platform. Microsoft Corporation defined Microsoft Outlook as the main handler for ECF files. Native Windows utilities may fail to correctly allocate memory for the file's execution. Windows treats plugins as ordinary files, but their real function depends on the host program. To open this specific ECF file, right-click your file and select Open With. If Microsoft Outlook is available, use that first. If it's missing, choose another program. Testing is the only way to be sure. If your ECF file will not open, do not worry. Since that didn't work, we need a targeted approach. Follow me through these 3 critical actions that will help us isolate the cause. First, installing in Outlook. Open Microsoft Outlook and navigate to File, then Options. Then Add-ins. Click Go next to COM Add-ins or appropriate add-in type. Use Add to Browse and select your ECF file. Outlook installs the add-in registering its commands and features. Restart Outlook for the new add-in to fully integrate with the email client. Next, managing through group policy. For enterprise deployments, use group policy to deploy ECF Outlook add-ins across multiple users. Configure the appropriate group policy settings under Microsoft Outlook administrative templates. This enables centralized add-in deployment, ensuring consistent Outlook functionality across organizational users without individual installations. Finally, troubleshooting issues. If ECF add-ins don't load properly, check Outlook's disabled items list under File Options Add-ins. Disabled add-ins may need re-enabling. Verify ECF file digital signatures match expected publishers. Run Outlook in safe mode to test if add-ins conflict with each other, affecting Outlook stability and performance. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. The complexity of this file is clear now when the other solutions have failed. Your best chance for recovery lies with a superior program like FileMagick. Access it at filemagick.com. Thank you for being a subscriber. If you're new here, tap that button for more specific file format guides.